Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Shalom, Saints. Here is Straitway's Be a Blessing list for Tabernacles 2023. Items can be shipped to the address in the description below. Whether you plan to bring or ship items, please call the dining hall so we know what is being provided in advance. Please get brand-specific items that are requested on the list. Thank you, Pastor Dow and Straitway Truth Ministries for hosting the Feast of Tabernacles, and thank you, Saints, for your contribution. This year, we are in need of hefty, supreme 8 7/8 inch plates, hefty, supreme 12-ounce bowls, plastic spoons and forks, 12-ounce foam cups, sunflower oil and extra virgin olive oil, hefty, supreme foam large to-go containers, Viva signature cloth paper towels, Vanity Fair napkins, gallon-size freezer Ziploc bags, and 50-gallon contractor bags. Bless you all, Saints. Shalom.
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.